Next one, a line passing through minus root 8 comma root 8 and making 135 degrees angle with x-axis cuts the circle x equal to pi cos theta, y equal to pi sin theta at points A and B. Then length of the chord AB. So here slope m equal to minus 1, theta equal to 135 degrees, tan 135 degrees is minus 1. So y minus y1 so line equation of line y minus y1 equals tan 135 degrees minus 1 slope into x minus x1. Now y minus root 8 equal to minus x minus root 8. Minus root 8 minus root 8 cancelled. So now here y equal to x plus y equal to 0 or y equal to minus x. Given this line cuts the cycle at x equal to pi cos theta, y equal to pi sin theta. Now x square plus y square equal to pi square cos square theta plus pi square sin square theta. Now x square plus y square equal to pi square. So radius is 5. Center origin 0 comma 0. X axis, y axis. A line passing through minus root 8 comma 8 and making 135 degrees angle with x axis cuts the circle. Okay. What is the line here? Y equal to minus x. Y equal to x. This one y equal to minus x. This line cuts the circle at A and B. At A and B. Pi cos theta, pi sin theta. Radius is 5. This one pi comma 0. This one minus pi comma 0. This one 0 comma minus 5. This one is 0 comma 5. Radius 5, 5. Center of the circle origin. So radius is 5. Question is length of the chord AB. Length of the chord AB 5 plus 5, 10. So AB equals to 5 plus 5, which is 10. So second one is the right option. Shown let AB be a chord of circle x square plus y square equal to r square subtending a right angle at center. Then locus of centroid of triangle PAB as B moves on the circle is. So it is a standard circle x square plus y square equal to r square. Radius is r and center is 0 comma 0. So here origin is the center of the circle. X axis, y axis. Center of the circle origin 0, 0. So radius is r. This one r comma 0. So 0 comma r. So right angle at center. ABB a chord of circle subtends at right angle at center. Then locus of centroid of triangle PAB. So given AB is a chord. Point A, point B. This point is r comma 0. AB is a chord of circle subtending right angle at the center. Then locus of centroid of triangle PAB. P moves on the circle. So P is the moves on the circle. P. Here R cos theta, comma R sin theta. Here R is the radius of the circle. Question is the locus of centroid. This one is the centroid. H comma K. Centroid H comma K. Let centroid be H comma K. So centroid formula H comma K equals centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So R plus, sorry, this one is 0 R. x1 plus x2 plus x3. So R plus 0 plus R cos theta by 3. Next y1 plus y2 plus y3. 0 plus R sin theta by 3. Here H equals R plus R cos theta by 3 to H. K equals R plus R sin theta by 3K. Now cos theta equals 3H minus R by R. Sin theta equals 3K minus R by R. So eliminate parameter. So theta eliminated. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Sin square theta 3K minus R by R whole square plus cos square theta 3H minus R by R whole square equal to 1. So here else taking LCM R square, LCM of denominator R square, 3K minus R whole square plus 3H minus R whole square equal to R square. Now replace H comma K by XY. Locus of centroid. What centroid? Here centroid H comma K. Now 3x minus R whole square plus 3y minus R. H represented by x, K represented by y whole square equal to R square. So bring outside 3, x minus R by 3 whole square plus y minus R by 3 whole square. Bring outside 3, 3 square 9, 9 times of this. Bring outside 3, 9 square, 9 square times of this. So equal to R square by 9, R by 9 whole square. This one represents a circle. So find the locus of centroid. So size is circle. So which one is the right option? Second one is the right option. This one is R square by 9, not R by 9 whole square. This one is R by 3 whole square or R square by 9. If one of the diameter of circle given by equation x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 is a chord of a circle S. This one is S, circle S, where center is at minus 3 comma 2, then radius of S is. Okay. This one given circle. What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Center of this circle, what is center? 2 comma minus 3. So radius square root of 4, 2 square, 3 square, 9 plus 12 minus c. G square plus f square minus c. 16, 25. Radius is 5. AB is a diameter. So radius is 5. 5. This one also 5. AC the radius and BC radius. Given one of the diameter of a circle, the circle diameter is AB, is a chord of the circle S. Diameter of this circle, diameter of given circle is a chord of another circle, chord of required circle. This one is the chord of required circle. So that circle center -3, 2. This one required circle. Diameter of the circle is chord of the required circle. So center given, the circle is S, center is -3, 2, -3, 2. S is the center of the required circle, C is the center of the given circle. Join S and C. Drawn from center to chord perpendicularly. So 90 degrees, and this one midpoint. C is midpoint of AB. So we can find C as the distance between the two centers. What is distance between the two centers? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, distance formula. Distance between the centers -3 -2, 5 square 25, 2 minus of -5 square 25, square root of 50, 25, 5 root 2. CS is 5 root 2. What is question? The radius of S is radius of this circle, radius of required circle. So radius of required circle is AS. AS is radius, BS also radius, R. It is right angle triangle. This one is a right angle triangle. Triangle ACES is a right angle triangle. So AC square equals, AS square equals, so AC square plus SC square. So R square, AS is the radius of the circle. R square equal to AC square 5 square 25 plus SC square 5 root 2 whole square, 25 2 is 25, 5 square 25, 25 2 is 50. R square equal to 75. R will be square root of 75. 25 into 3, 25 3 is R will be 5 root 3. What is the radius of the circle? Yes, 5 root 3. Third one is the right option. Next one, length of tangent. Length of tangent. Center C. This is a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Center -g comma -f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. So on external point P, x1, y1. Here PA tangent to PB tangent. Point of contact 90 degrees. At point of contact 90 degrees. Now triangle PAC is a right angle triangle, PBC also right angle triangle. Now length of tangent. The length of tangent PA or PB. PA or PB. So here it is a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square, PC square. So PA square or PB square equals PC square hypotenuse square minus radius AC square. So PC square distance formula. What distance formula? x1 minus it means x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X1 minus of minus x1 plus z whole square plus y1 plus f whole square minus ac square. AC is the radius r square. So x1 square plus g square plus 2gx1 plus y1 square plus f square plus 2f by 1 minus r square. R square is g square minus f square plus c minus of minus plus c. Here g square minus g square f square minus f square cancelled out. X1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f by 1 plus c. So pa square or pb square. Pa square or pb square. Pa square. Now length of pa is square root of this one. So pa or pb, length of the tangent, pa or pb equal to square root of s1. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to s. So this point will satisfy this one. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is s1, square root of s1. This is the length of the tangent. One important point, note points. Before calculating length of tangent, we need to check a coefficient of x square and y square. Coefficient of x square and y square should be 1, should be same, or should be 1. Coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. Should be same, both are same. Always check for real circle. Always check for real circle. Okay. Under square root negative రాకూడదండి, రేడియస్ నెగిటివ్ ఉండకూడదు. సో రియల్ సర్కిల్ మనకి రేడియస్ అండర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ నెగిటివ్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, రియల్ సర్కిల్ కాదు కదా, అంటే రేడియస్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తే రియల్ సర్కిల్ కాదు. సో రేడియస్ పాజిటివ్ ఉండాలి అండ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ అండ్ y స్క్వేర్ షుడ్ బి 1, should be same. Find the length of tangent from 1, 1 to the circle. Two questions there. 2x square plus 2y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. So two conditions. First condition is the coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. So divided by 2 this one. Before we need to calculate length of tangent. Length of tangent is the square root of s1. Before we need to calculate length of tangent. Such verify given circle is real circle or not. Real circle, radius positive అనుకోండి, real circle. Radius negative, it is not a real circle. So radius g comma f, here g equals to 2, f equals to 3, c equals to minus 8. So r equals to square root of g square plus f square plus 8. So this one is a real circle. Here r is positive. Real circle. So we can find length of the tangent. So this one is divided by 2. Coefficient of x square and y square should be 1. So x square plus y square plus this one is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Then we after మనం divided by 2 చేసిన తర్వాత చెక్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా రియల్ సర్కిల్ వస్తుంది. సో length of tangent square root of s1. So square root of your point 1 comma 1, 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Square root of 3 is the length of tangent. So your coefficient of x square and y square is 1. So g equal to 2, f equal to 3, c equal to 18. Before we need to calculate the length of tangent. Such verify cycle real or not. So length of the tangent మనం calculate చేసే ముందు మనం చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి given cycle is a real cycle or not. So r positive, radius positive వచ్చింది అనుకోండి రియల్ సైకిల్, radius నెగటివ్ వస్తే రియల్ సైకిల్ కాదని. Square root of 4 plus 9 minus 18, 13 is negative, so it is not real cycle. రియల్ సైకిల్ అయితే మనం లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. రియల్ సైకిల్ కాకపోతే లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయకూడదండి. Next one, power of a point. This one is the power of a point. Any point on AB can be taken as any point on AB can be taken as h plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. H plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. Point P, h comma k. Any point on AB can be taken as, suppose this is the point P dash. This point is h plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. General equation x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Equation of the circle. Center minus z comma minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now equation 1 and equation 2. That is the equation 1 and equation 2. So this is the point P dash. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. We get A and B. We get A and B, point of intersection of line and the circle. Solve 1 and 2. X square, here x is h plus r cos theta whole square plus y square, k plus r sin theta whole square plus 2z into x, h plus r cos theta plus 2f into y, k plus r sin theta plus c equal to 0. H square plus r square cos square theta plus 2hr cos theta, k square plus r square sin square theta plus 2kr sin theta plus 2zh plus 2zr cos theta plus 2fk plus 2fr sin theta plus c equal to 0. So r square times of sin square plus cos square, which is 1, plus r times 2h cos theta plus 2k sin theta plus 2z cos theta plus 2f sin theta plus constant times k square h square plus k square, next constant 2gh here, 2gh, next constant 2fk plus c equal to 0. It is a constant term. Now it is quadratic in or product of the roots, sum of the roots. PA R1, PB R2. I already explained here some clear. Cycles introduction was at the first video explained is done. A, B. Two cards intersect outside the circle. Now PA into PB equals PC into PD. Two cards intersect outside the circle. PA into PB equal to PC into PD. First video I explain this. So product of the roots and sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is R1 plus R2. Product of the roots R1 into R2. So sum of the roots R1 plus R2, which is minus b by a, 2h cos theta plus 2k sin theta plus 2z cos theta plus 2f sin theta by 1. Next, R1 plus R2. Product of roots R1 into R2. Product of roots C by a constant. What is the constant here? H square. H square plus k square plus 2gx plus 2fk plus c by 1. Here independent of theta. Theta related here, independent of theta. So product of roots R1 into R2 equals locus of hk replaced by x comma y. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Finally, R1 into R2 equals S1. This one is S1. R1 into R2 equal to S1. Here PA into PB into PA into PB equal to PC into PD. PA is R1. This length is R1. This length is R2. So R1 into R2 equal to S1. This is the formula. R1 into R2 equal to S1. I hope you are understanding. Okay, this one is the power of a point. The power of point is S1. Here theta is a inclination, slope only. Slope is a theta inclination. Here also three cases.